This guy right here helped me out. Make sure you like, subscribe to stuff. I'm calling it a wrap. All right, I got a long drive back, right, like 2 hours.
What's up, guys? DIY Salvage Guy here. On today's episode, what we're going to be doing is showing you guys the learning as we go, behind the scenes. We got a collaboration effort going on with Blue Line Garage. This is his video. I'm just posting it on my channel to give him some recognition. So hopefully you guys will check him out. Blue Line Garage, link will be down below. Big help, big shout out to him. Thank you, Dave, for coming out from Arizona out to New Jersey and doing a collaboration video with me. And you guys will also get to see a sneak peek of the new build with a little bit more progress that I'm showing right now on YouTube. So check him out, show him some love, show him the DIY Salvage Guy way. Thank you guys for being here. Subscribe to me and him. Like the video. Thank you guys and enjoy.
Alright guys, I'm leaving my place in New York and heading to Jersey for, oh look, I just want to show you guys, there's a nice Ferrari right there. So I'm leaving my place in New York and I'm heading to New Jersey to meet another YouTuber. Oh snap, look at this. I like this. I guess it's just the neighborhood, right? So, like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and drive about an hour and a half into New Jersey. We're gonna meet a fellow YouTuber, and we're gonna basically be working on the build. So, if you wanna know who it is, follow this ride with me.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say.
Hey everybody, my name is David and this is Blue Line Garage. Today we're going to be doing collaboration with another YouTuber. Does the same stuff I do. He does great work. He does a lot of teaching and learning as you go, which is awesome. It's almost common sense in the automotive community. So we've been friends for quite a while, and I'm going to go and check out a shop. And I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I'm not gonna say who he is until we get there, but you might see his name in the title of this video anyway. But whatever works. But he's gonna be revealing a new project car on his channel, and we are going to be there. And that's about it. So let's go together and see what this thing is. It's like 6:30 in the morning, and I'm so tired. And I got, oh yeah, like another 45 minutes to drive. All right, so let's get going.
2,000 years later.
All right, everybody, we're still driving. We're trying to get there. We're not too far away. Oh, who do we got here?
Salvage Guy.
DIY Salvage Guy. What's up, buddy? Nice meeting you.
You too. You too.
Oh, let's check out his cars over here. What are we walking up to? What's that in the garage? Is that a new build?
We got the Beast, brand new build, not revealed yet on the channel.
Yeah.
Couple sneak peeks, but
Tell me about it.
got the 2006 Z06. It is modded heavily. When I first got it, we started it up, and the person that was standing behind it literally jumped backwards and almost fell on his ass. But full exhaust, straight piped. I know it's cammed. I don't know anything else about it, but it's definitely going to be tuned when it's done. So that's what you're here for. Let's try to finish it up.
Awesome. Let's take a look. Look at this. Nice little carbon fiber ring. What is that? Just a push on, or is it actual?
No, it's carbon fiber package.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Check out the inside. Nothing too crazy. I do like it being manual though.
Only coming manual.
Look at that. Well, we do have some work ahead of us. All right, guys. Well, let's settle down. I'm gonna go through the car, see what we're gonna be doing today. We're just gonna get to it. All right, we got a 2006 Z06 here. So we actually been working on it for a few hours already. We got the lower radiator support down here. We got the oil cooler mounted up here. We actually had to take it all apart. DIY Salvage Guy actually has it all in his video. So if you want to check that out, check out his channel for the installation that we all did. We mounted the headlight here. Now we're trying to mount the fender, and that's what we're doing right now. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little update what we've been doing so far. And let's go on this side and see what we got going on. So right now we're just trying to attach the fender from the inside. Door jamb. Oh, he dropped it. All right, let's take another little break. If you want a close-up shot, and we're still waiting. You see this guy? Here we go. That's smelling rich. No reaction. You got that? All right, we got this little plastic welding tool. Check this out. This is what you see on those Instagram pop-ups. Like you see these little clips. They melt right in there, and you see I gotta cut these off afterwards. So he's gonna do one here in a second. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Look, 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 he's doing it. He's doing it. Look, it's on there. Let's get a close up. Bam. Get it. Come on, get that money. Okay. So it's melting, it's seeping in. Now you don't want to push too much all the way through. As soon as it goes in, you want to stop it, or you're gonna go right through the plastic.
Yeah, give it a second to cool off, then pull out.
Bam, bam. We all know about pulling out, right? There you go. And then when we're done, just cut these clips off.
Yep, just cut them off.
And this is the machine here, and it comes in a little trusty toolbox.
Yeah, we'll put a link down in the description where I got it from. It's definitely good, guys. Heats up instantly. They give you a lot of tools. We give you these little snips. Well worth it.
I'm buying this next, so keep an eye out for it when I gotta repair some plastic.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's time for lunch.
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 It's lunchtime.
Go for lunch.
Brooklyn Square.
Got some pizza.
Hell yeah, man.
Hey guys, see, these are some of the issues we have. Background noise. Alright? People like that don't understand what we're trying to do. We're waiting. You see this guy? We're trying to wait to make a video of this, and it's already been like 15 damn minutes. This guy won't stop. I'm ready to go over there and give him a 20 just to knock it off for a little while. But, you know, we got to do what we got to do. So, we're waiting.
You're ready? So what I want to do is I want to bring it back to the actual way I feel like it should look. And we wrap the Mustang, we wrap the S5, and now we're also going to be wrapping the hood, at least the hood, maybe a little bit more, in this carbon fiber wrap. So I will show you guys that in a minute. But the first thing we need to do is we need to clean this down. It's still filthy from the auction and from sitting in the lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it all down. We have to clay bar it, so we're going to spray it, clean it, clay bar it, and then we'll have a nice smooth surface. And then we're going to wrap it, so I'll show you guys all that now.
Bam, behind the scenes. This is like Hollywood up in here. All right, so we're getting a wrap on this hood here, carbon fiber wrap. And right now we're just laying the wrap down. We already cut it to size. We're gonna go ahead and wash our hands and get going. All right, guys, we finished up the wrap and it looks awesome. And I always wanted to do the wrap myself, but I was always afraid to until Mike over here from DIY Salvage Guy learned how to do it off of one car, and he taught me. And I probably would have screwed it up and probably would have gave up if he didn't show me all the hints what to do. And I actually watched a lot of videos on how to do it, but you know, the videos don't help you unless you get your hands dirty. You know what I mean? So this guy right here helped me out. Make sure you like, subscribe his stuff. I'm calling it a wrap. All right, I got a long drive back, right? Like 2 hours and 2 minutes. Yeah, so it's awesome to meet this guy. You know, we're in New Jersey at an undisclosed location, and I'm from Arizona, so it was nice to come out here on the East Coast and run into this guy and actually work out with him. So, you know, get a big, better bond, and it's like a little community, and I'm glad that we're able to share it. So, do you have anything to say, brother?
I don't, man. I'm very happy that we were able to work together. The car rebuild community on YouTube, it's very small, and we're trying to build a bond together. So make sure you guys like him, subscribe. I know you guys are already on his channel.
A lot of people don't like me at all.
But it's all part of the process, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this and learn as you go, and just try to do it yourself. And if you learn a lot, you can do a lot.
All right. Listen, like you said, learn as you go. Peace out.
That's going to do it for today's episode, guys. This video was a lot of fun to make. Me and Dave had a really good time doing this. I learned a lot from him. He learned a lot from me. We got a lot of things done with this. And make sure you guys show him some love. Check him out. Blue Line Garage. Really good guy. And he does basically the same thing I do, but he has a lot more skills than I have as well. But we're both learning as we go because that's what we do here. So subscribe to him. Subscribe to me. Thank you guys for being here. Like, turn on those post notifications for both of us. And also, make sure that you guys just let me know what you guys think about him, about me. And I really appreciate your guys' support. We'll be doing more of these in the future. So make sure that you guys let me know any YouTubers that you guys would like me to do it with. And we'll see if they respond. Hopefully you guys will be inspired by this. Just pick up a wrench, buy a car. Know that we don't know what we're doing either. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.